Does holding your tablet in bed cause you hand, wrist, and arm pain instead? Does watching your device on the couch make your neck and back say ouch? When you need to get comfortable, you need PillowPad, the multi-angle pillow stand that makes viewing any device comfortable and hands-free wherever you happen to be. The secret is in PillowPad's tri-ledge design that gives you 3 different viewing angles for the perfect view every time. All you do is rotate to find the view that works best for you. And here's the best part. With 3 perfect viewing angles, you can comfortably view your device sitting, lounging, even lying down. PillowPad's made from a breakthrough cushioned foam that's ultra lightweight and super soft to gently rest in your lap. Plus, it's firm enough so you can swipe, wipe, or type with precision and speed. No more struggling to hold your tablet. Now with PillowPad, you can view hands-free, pain-free, and comfortably. And because of PillowPad's non-slip fabric and innovative ledge design, it securely holds all your devices, large or small. It fits them all. It's the most comfortable way to binge watch, stay connected on social media, video chat with friends or family. It's great for keeping the kids happy in the car or to all-day game without the pain. And it's not just for devices. Use PillowPad to display recipes. And there's no better way to read your favorite book than with PillowPad. Everyone loves PillowPad because it provides arms, wrist, and joint comfort. Plus, the cover is removable and 100% machine washable. PillowPad, the multi-angle pillow stand that makes viewing any device comfortable and hands-free.